My bike check. Built on a We the People warrior frame, full magma heat treated, with a We the People helium hollow fort, still full magma heat treated. Éclat headset with éclat green hannibal stem. Verde cartel bars. Random black grips with kink lightest barends. Got some Odyssey PC twisted pedals. Profile racing cranks. Raw no color with a éclat tilt CNC sprocket. Back hub is an éclat tech cassette hub on a éclat x-odus back rim. Same in front, éclat tech hub with a We the People toxic bags, and got some animal asm-r tires, slick street tires with we can't see it, but it's a We the People pivotal post with a kink slim kevlar bench seat. It's my bike.